Welcome to this video on AI feedback loops. In this lesson, we explore how feedback changes when AI is part of the learning process. Instead of waiting days for correction, learners can receive immediate guidance, spot mistakes faster, and improve while their thinking is still active. We will look at what feedback loops are, why timing matters, and how AI can help make learning more responsive and effective. When feedback comes too late, the learner often forgets what they were thinking during the task. That delay makes it harder to correct misunderstanding. Fast feedback helps people connect the mistake to the moment it happened, which makes improvement much more effective. In a traditional classroom, a student completes the work, submits it, and waits. By the time feedback returns, the original thinking is no longer fresh. That lag reduces the impact of even good feedback because the student is no longer fully connected to the task or the decision they made. AI changes the learning loop by making support available during the work instead of after it. Learners can receive hints, explanations, and suggestions while they are still focused. That means feedback becomes part of the learning process itself rather than an after-the-fact correction. Fast feedback is powerful, but only if it is structured well. If students simply accept answers without thinking, then speed becomes shallow. Effective feedback should help learners pause, reflect, revise, and understand why a change improves the work. Useful AI feedback does more than point out an error. It explains what went wrong, gives a small nudge toward the next step, and encourages the learner to try again. This keeps the student active in the learning process instead of becoming passive. A strong learning loop starts with effort. The learner attempts the task, gets feedback, revises, and then reflects on what changed. AI can support every stage, but the design still matters. The goal is not faster answers. The goal is deeper understanding through better iteration. In this video, we explored how AI can shorten the gap between action and insight. We looked at why traditional delayed feedback often misses the learning moment and how AI can offer immediate explanations, hints, and guidance. The key idea is that speed alone is not enough. Feedback must be structured so learners think, revise, and reflect. Apply one of these ideas in your own workflow and build a stronger learning loop.